Welcome to Back on Two Wheels. We're at Rock and Ride Munich, the Triumph dealership here where I took the bike originally, and we're back to see if we can get this transmission fault rectified. Okay, let's see. So, while we're waiting for the bike to get repaired, we have a little look around to see what the stock's like. There's a few street twins there, nice little bobber. I haven't actually rode the bobber, I rode a Speedmaster. It's got a seat on the back, very handy if your missus wants to come along. So nice rockets. Another one there, rocket. This is it's not the black, is it? They had a black there, like I don't know if that is. I didn't think the black had any alley showing at all, but they did have a triple black as well. It was outside. They brought it in a little bit later after I'd shot some footage. But Speedmaster, like the one I test rode with the foot pegs right forward, where my feet only just reached it. Nice bike. If I wasn't doing lots of distance, I probably would have gone for something along those lines. But yeah, nice selection of bikes in there. This was nice. I don't know why it's in a special display. I don't know if they've done it themselves, but they're lovely colours. Look at that. I don't know if that's a standard that you can get from Triumph as a special, but it does look the business. And they are, Rock and Ride Munich. Nice dealership, great selection of bikes, and made to feel very welcome. So nice alternative exhaust going on there. I mean, for all I know, these could all be sort of extras you can get out of the Triumph catalogue, as it were, but not sure. A couple more rockets. They had 5 rockets in there. I think these, I don't know if these were, they've got plates on the back, so I don't know if they're second hand. There's another one further down the end of that block there, which was also quite nice. So yeah, a good selection of bikes in store. Some Tridents, some street triples, speed triples, and some more Tigers further up there as well. Yeah, there's this other. That's obviously registered, so I don't know if it's a second-hand one or whether they've just pre-registered it so that people can take them out or whatever, or whether it's ready for someone to collect. Very nice, whatever. A lovely little look round the motors. Great stuff. So, the fault is now gone. Thank you to, big thank you to Rock and Ride Munich. Here we are. The Triumph dealership eventually got an email saying come in and see us tomorrow at 10:30. We'll have a look, and yeah, all good. Happy days. Well done. Thank you very much to Rock and Ride. Anyway, back at base, and a big thank you to Munich Triumph Rock and Ride. We're sort of nearly there. There's no more fault code showing, or sorry, not fault code. There's no more fault warning light, which was associated with the quick shifter. And I believe they've changed the quick shifter module. But either changed it or cleaned it, or they did something. They had it for quite a while in there, and they've possibly changed it. The guy came back. It was always yep, all good, and all the rest of it. So that was me off on my way. However, with the quick shifter, you've got the quick shifter and you've got the blipper. So the blipper now works. So I can drop it down gears without having to pull the clutch in, but going up, still nothing. So, but anyway, the warning light's gone. I will book it into Pure Triumph back in the UK. I'll be back there in a few weeks, so I'll book it in there for them to check out why the quick shifter doesn't work. So yeah, we're sort of we're nearly there, but yeah, it's better than what it was, obviously. So if you want to continue watching my journey back into motorbikes, and you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.